Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds LENOVO ThinkPlus XT92. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. Now you can close the case or open the lid. Now your earbuds disconnected from the phone. And we can check it if you go to the settings and Bluetooth. As you can see, no connection. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices or Media Devices to Save Devices, but it also depends, because let's say on Realme you have under your earbuds the text in use if it connected and no text when it disconnected. So maybe you have a similar path as Realme. To check it, then you need to remove your earbuds from the charging case, and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone automatically. On iOS you will see the text connected. If you have Android, it will return to My Device or Media Devices or in use on Realme, you know. Now it reconnect, and with this method you can fix a lot of small and sometimes big trouble with your earbuds. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!